Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. So today I've got the Sur-Ron Light BX here, and Tusk makes some really good protection accessories for this bike, but the one I want to talk about today is the billet rear disc guard. So this to me is just one of those must-have accessories on these bikes. The discs on these for your brakes is actually just basically a mountain bike rotor. So they're just not nearly as thick or as strong as, say, a dirt bike rotor. So it's really important that you have good protection there. So with this one from Tusk, it's made from billet aluminum, nice black finish to it. You can see it's very thick, so it's very strong. You can take a good impact. It's going to protect your rotor. Very easy to install. You actually just take your rear wheel off, and then you thread your axle right through the hole on this disc guard, and then it just mounts to your stock factory mounted location that you already have on the bike. So it's a great replacement, great upgrade. Again, billet aluminum, black finish to it, looks awesome, but most importantly, it's gonna give you great protection for your rear disc. So grab one, click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And like I said, Tusk has other great protection accessories. We have the Quiet Glide skid plate for this bike as well, which is phenomenal protection for the bottom. We also have a foot peg support, which is another must-have accessory, and a lot of other cool items. So go to Rocky Mountain's website to pick those up. Just enter the year, make, and model of the bike that you have on the website. You'll see everything that will fit your exact bike. We ship for free over $75. And if you want to stay up to date on products like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.